Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. Today, we're going to dive into the world of float switches and discuss their advantages compared to other level sensing technologies. So, let's get started. Advantage 1. Simplicity and reliability. Float switches are known for their simplicity in design and operation. Consisting of a buoyant float attached to an electrical switch, they are easy to install and maintain. With fewer moving parts, they offer enhanced reliability, making them ideal for a wide range of applications. 2. Cost effectiveness. Float switches are typically more cost-effective than other level sensing technologies. Their simple design means they are often more affordable to purchase and install, saving both time and money for users. Third advantage is versatility. Float switches can be used in a variety of liquids, including water, oil, and chemicals. Their versatility makes them suitable for applications in industries such as wastewater management, food and beverage production, and industrial manufacturing. Fourth is compatibility. Float switches can easily be integrated with existing control systems, such as alarms, pumps, and valves. This compatibility allows for seamless automation and monitoring of liquid levels, improving efficiency and productivity. Fifth advantage, wide range of options. Float switches come in various shapes, sizes, and materials to suit different applications and environments. Whether you need a vertical or horizontal float switch, a high-temperature or corrosion-resistant model, there's a float switch available to meet your specific requirements. So there you have it, folks. Float switches offer simplicity, reliability, cost-effectiveness, versatility, compatibility, and a wide range of options, making them a preferred choice for many level sensing applications.